Freedom at last. Justice delayed but never denied. A momentous chapter was written today, Thursday, 17th of July 2025, at the Ebonyi State High Court, as the last batch of 24 Biafran detainees, out of a group of 36 unjustly held since May 24, 2020, were finally discharged and acquitted of all lingering, frivolous, and unfounded charges. These innocent citizens had endured years of prolonged, unconstitutional detention under recycled and repackaged allegations or charges, even after being severally discharged and acquitted on the same facts by not less than 5 respectable high courts in Ebonyi State. Today's historic ruling followed our preliminary objection, which powerfully highlighted the brazen violation of their fundamental rights, particularly the constitutionally guaranteed protection against double jeopardy, enshrined under Section 36(9) of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended. This sacred principle, autrefois acquit, stipulates that no person shall be tried again for an offense in respect of which they have previously been acquitted. In a bold, fearless, and intellectually profound ruling, His Lordship, Honorable Justice First P. Chima, upheld our arguments in their entirety and lent judicial weight to the cause of justice. We salute the learned judge's exceptional courage, depth of reasoning, and unwavering commitment to the sanctity of the Constitution. His erudition and moral clarity have restored faith in the judiciary as the last hope of the common man. Above all, we return all glory, honor, and adoration to the Most High God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, our eternal rock, fortress, and deliverer. This is another unprecedented victory, made possible only by His mighty hand. We acknowledge that without Him, this milestone would not have been possible. In line with the court's directive for their immediate release, we are taking prompt steps to ensure full compliance without delay. I must also commend my devoted colleagues in chambers, whose tireless research, resilience, and dedication have once again produced this noble triumph. Your efforts are deeply appreciated. We are also grateful to the legal team of the government of Ebonyi State, who, in open court, pledged to ensure this judgment is obeyed to the letter. Similarly, the correctional authorities have undertaken to immediately hand over the freed detainees to us without resistance or delay, a commitment we shall hold them to. The joy of today will ripple far beyond the walls of the courtroom. It will be a thing of immense joy seeing the reunification of these families, some of whose wives had been abandoned, children lost, and parents buried in sorrow during this long period of incarceration. Now, we look forward to the healing and rebuilding phase. We urge the relevant agencies of the Ebonyi State government to urgently consider appropriate measures for rehabilitation and reparation of these victims, even without prompting. Today marks the end of a painful 4-year ordeal. The light of justice has finally pierced through the dark clouds of oppression. Once again, to the Almighty God be all the glory. It can only be Him. With God, we have conquered. Justice has spoken. Freedom is restored. A new chapter begins. Signed, Sir Ifani Eji Ofor Esquire KSC, July 17, 2025.